Hello, I am Ashfid Chowdhury, but don't want to show your face and voice, you can use my method. Today I am going to introduce two websites through which you can make videos without the look and voice like me, so let's start. The first website is 11 Labs. First, you will enter the website and sign in. Through this, you can write your text and generate voice according to your choice. You can generate voice by translating it to male voice, female voice, and any language you want. Now let's talk about the second website. The second website is mixkit.com. With the help of this website, you can download any copyright-free video on any subject as per your requirement. And from it, you can download not only videos, but also audios, backgrounds, images, songs, etc. Even this video of mine, I made with these two websites. The result is in front of you. You can subscribe Talent of AI YouTube channel to watch AI, and such digital technology-related videos. Both website links will be provided in the description box.